Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe stock mockups. First, navigate to the Adobe stock website and use the search bar to find a suitable mockup. For instance, if you need a business card presentation, type business card mockup. Once you've found one you like, simply download the file. Most mockups are provided as Photoshop PSD files, ready for immediate use in your design workflow. Once your mockup file is downloaded, open it directly in Adobe Photoshop. You'll notice various layers, but the key is to find the Smart Object layer. This layer is usually marked with a small icon on its thumbnail. Double-click this thumbnail to open your design placeholder in a separate window. Now, simply drag and drop your own artwork or design into this new canvas, ensuring it fits perfectly. After placing your design within the Smart Object, save that window and close it. Your artwork will instantly appear on the main mockup, perfectly integrated. Now, you can customize further. Explore the other layers to change background colors, adjust shadows, or even modify textures. For example, you might want to shift a background hue by 20% or soften a shadow by 10 pixels to achieve a more polished and realistic presentation. Finally, save your completed mockup as a new Photoshop file, perhaps adding Final to the file name, to keep all your layers intact. When you're ready to share, export your image. For web use, a high-quality JPEG or PNG is ideal, typically around 1920 pixels wide. For print, consider a TIFF file at 300 dpi. Always double-check that your design's resolution aligns with the mockups for the sharpest presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.